Okay, we're going to take the paddler out for a spin, so I'm going to go across the railway tracks, under the highway, cross Lakeshore Boulevard and get down to the lake down there. So let's go down for an adventure. Okay, so we're just here with the Origami Paddler. So as you can see, I put a skateboard on the bottom, if you can see. Then I tie it in place with this luggage strap here. And then for the shoulder strap I have this removable clip here. So I can hold it with the shoulder strap like this. So then I wear it on the shoulder strap and I just drag it like this. So let's head down to the lake now. As you can see, I'm just wheeling it through my hallways here to get out to the street. It's moving pretty easily on the wheels. So I have this two-stage crossing coming now. So I made it all the way down the street from my building to get through the bike path now. To the boardwalk, we're just heading to the waterfront now. Okay, so we came from there all the way here, and for this last leg, so I just walk it across here to the front. Okay, made it to the waterfront, so I took the luggage strap off. I had to unclip the shoulder strap, get this out of the way, take the luggage strap off. Here's the skateboard, now we're going to open it up. So the first thing you do is you undo these two clips here, 1, 2, and this side folds out. And now this second one will fold out. We just have some visitors there. Okay, so now what you're going to do, you're going to take these 4 clips, come out, and you're going to slide it into here, into this hole, and you're going to do that for all 4 of them. Okay, so the 4 clips are in place now, you can see these all the way in. Now we're going to assemble the kayak. Let me just do that. See that these clip into place as well. Okay, so the kayak's in place. You see it just clicks in place here, and one at that end. And I put the skateboard in these rear straps here, so I have it for storage when I'm paddling, and then this bend kind of goes here, so I can still lean back. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the seat up. So this seat clicks in place. There's this bracket, one on each side. And the luggage strap goes in here for storage, and I can still lean back in this seat. The skateboard doesn't get in the way. So we're just going to head out into the water now. Just watch out for rocks, that you're not anywhere near them. And these fins, I always forget, you have to lower them down once they're in the water. Put these in the down position so that you can steer properly, otherwise it keeps spinning. Okay, it's hard to film, so we're out in the water now. You can see the CN Tower there. There's another guy getting his boat ready. And we're just going to try and paddle here. Again, so there's a cup holder here. You can see it. And there's 4 different size footrest depending on how you want to relax. Again, I can't film with this, so I have to put my camera on. So I can't film, it's way too windy and I need to be paddling. Someone else just headed out there. So I just wanted to make a quick video. I'm going to come back another time without my camera and just paddle on my own. So I'm going to try and head back now. So you do get to see lots of wildlife out here that you wouldn't normally see. I'm going the wrong way. You can paddle with one hand and try and film. There's a CN Tower in the background. I can't go out that far. You can see the wind's blowing all the sand. So I have to just head back. So I just wanted to make a quick video just to demonstrate, but it's not ideal weather today for paddling. Okay, so I just came out the water. This was basically just a demo. It's too windy today to be paddling and I can't do it with my camera. So now we're going to fold this up. So let's just fold this up now. Step 1, take my shoes and drink out. Okay, so we're going to remove everything. I'm going to remove the skateboard, remove the seat and everything so this can fold. Okay, so I tipped the water out. I tipped it sideways. I put the seat down, I put the paddle back together. Took the skateboard out. Now we're gonna pull these clips back out, see? So the 4 clips, and we're gonna fold it up. So now we fold it back up. So this one goes in first, like this. It fits in here. Keep the strap out of the way. Remember the strap, you need the strap. And then you see the shape, so this folds into this one. And then these straps here are going to tie it up. So this strap is going to go here, and the same here. Okay, so now I have to get it back on the skateboard with the luggage strap. That's why I left this one open, so I can put the luggage strap inside it first. The luggage strap, the shoulder strap. I'm just going to clip it back here. There, that's clipped, so now I can use the shoulder strap to reel it back. Those guys were just chatting with me, they want to know what is this. Everyone gets curious, like what is this thing? So we're just gonna walk back. We got it on the skateboard now. You can see the skateboard here. I lost my skateboard here on the corner. We're just gonna go back down along the boardwalk, back to the traffic lights. Go. Okay, so we just have to push it back into my building. There you can see me there. Back in my building now.
Parking level 2.
Okay, and back to my locker room. Okay, so I just leave it in there with the luggage strap and the skateboard downstairs. Find it. There. And it's all packed for another day. So until next time.